Welcome to Fluent and Fearless. Speak English with confidence. Hello, and welcome back to Fluent and Fearless. I'm really glad you're here with me today. Before we start, I want you to relax your shoulders, take a slow breath, and just arrive here. This is not a test. This is not a classroom. This is practice, and practice is allowed to be imperfect. In our last episode, we talked about confidence and how you don't wait for confidence first, you build it by speaking. Today, we're going to make things more practical. Today is about real daily English, the kind of English you can actually use in normal conversations, at work, at school, online, anywhere. Not difficult English, not fancy English, just simple, natural, usable English. And I'll guide you step by step. Ready? Let's begin. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever stayed silent in a conversation because you were trying to build a perfect sentence in your head? Most learners do this. They try to translate, they try to upgrade the sentence, they try to make it impressive. And while they are thinking, the moment to speak passes. But here is the truth most people never tell you. Real conversations are not built from perfect sentences. They are built from simple, clear responses. Native speakers use short sentences all the time. For example, "That works." "Sounds good." "I understand." "Give me a minute." Short, natural, effective. Fluency is not about length. Fluency is about comfort. Say this with me. Short sentences are powerful. Again, short sentences are powerful. Good. Today, we will practice these kinds of phrases, the kind that make you sound natural quickly. Let's begin with conversation starters. These are phrases you can use when you meet someone or continue a conversation. I'll say each line first, naturally, then slowly, then you repeat. Speak out loud. Even if you are alone, your brain learns through sound. Let's begin. How is your day going? Slow version. How is your day going? Now you say it. Very nice. This is warmer than just, "How are you?" It sounds more friendly and modern. What are you working on today? Slow. What are you working on today? Your turn. Excellent. You can use this at work, school, even with friends. That sounds good. Slow. That sounds good. Repeat. This is a powerful support phrase. Use it when someone shares an idea. I understand. Slow. I understand. Repeat. Simple but confident. Let me think about it. Slow. Let me think about it. Repeat. This phrase is very useful when you need time and confidence. Pause with me for a moment. If you spoke even 2 phrases out loud, that is real progress. Not imagined progress, not future progress, real progress. Confidence grows through use, not through watching silently. Be proud of that. Now let's practice a short real-life conversation. Listen first. How is your day going? It's going well, thank you. What are you working on today? I'm finishing a small task. That sounds good. Yes, I'm making progress. Now, repeat after me line by line. How is your day going? It's going well, thank you. What are you working on today? I'm finishing a small task. That sounds good. Yes, I'm making progress. Excellent. Sometimes you don't know what to say. That's okay. Use these confidence phrases to stay calm in conversation. Repeat after me. Let me try. I'm still learning. Can you say that again? Please give me a moment. I'm thinking. These phrases protect your confidence while giving you time to think. Fluent speakers use them too. Now let's finish with confidence speaking practice. Repeat slowly and clearly. I can speak simple English. Simple English is powerful. I am not afraid to try. Every day I improve. My voice matters. I am fluent and fearless. Beautiful work today. You practiced real phrases, real conversations, and real confidence. Use at least one phrase today in real life, even in a message. Small use creates real fluency. Thank you for learning with me today. Stay fluent, stay fearless.